Wow. Did you feel that earthquake?
Thunder.
No, what? Well, hey!
Welcome to another daily video. And this one we want to show you guys our DIY awning that we have. It may not be super fancy or anything. It's a bit rustic.
Rustic is a good choice of word.
But it was sub 20 euros and it does the job. Oh, and he can tell you the real reason we're putting the awning up now. It's not to get shade.
So yeah, as you've seen in a couple of our previous videos, it has been raining pretty much relentlessly for the past 4 or 5 days here, and this is the first bit of sunshine that we've had and it feels glorious. I even got a singlet on, you know, I'm trying to just hold on to every last bit of summer possible. So let me show you what we use for this DIY awning. Guys, we've got a friend. His name is Cheese. Excuse me, I'm trying to make a video here.
Yeah, we're trying to set up a shot.
Why do cats do this? You try to do something and they literally sit in the middle of it. I just need this for my awning. I'm just gonna take it. This is what I need for my awning. It's mine. Yeah, go on, skip you, skip.
Yeah, my girl. Yeah, my girl.
So yes, that is right. Like literally 3 things to make this awning work. Ta-da! These 2 ends go on top of the van, and then this end goes on your point of contact, tree, pole, post, whatever. So I'm gonna put this magnet up on the roof and hook this into it.
That's an awning and a half, eh? Thanks, Hanson.
Not a problem. Happy to be of service. 20 snackaroonies, please.
Schmack.
Like this awning looks legit. I'm well chuffed. And also whenever the awning's up, you gotta put something else up. Bam! Hammock.
This is our view now, looking up at that beautiful awning, blue sky, our gorgeous girl Martha, this gorgeous guy, this gorgeous girl.
Oh yeah, sorry, this gorgeous girl.
So yeah, we just wanted to show that you don't have to have big bucks to make an awning. It's probably not the sturdiest thing in the world, but does the job for us, eh?
Does what it needs to.
Anyway, we will leave you there. Thanks for joining us on another random daily vlog about our life in the van.
We appreciate you coming along.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
See ya. What do we do now?